Aquaba, welcome to Dinah's channel.
Thank you.
Guys, I'm here in Osu at Zion Thai restaurant. And right now I have the owner, Zion. Welcome to Dinah's channel.
Thank
No,
you.
I came here, I found your eatery in looking online to find somewhere I could have some Thai food. And here it is. I have arrived with a friend. I must say the meal was excellent. And you are willing to have a one-on-one with me and tell me, how did you decide to open a Thai restaurant here in Ghana?
That's,
Talk to me,
that's amazing.
Zad.
That's good. Well, I'm Zion. Well, I live in Thailand actually, and I found out that it's good to create something good back home. So and when I found out I get to Ghana, I found out there's no Thai restaurant. I decided like, oh no. Actually, at the beginning it was Zion Boutique.
Zion Boutique.
Zion Boutique. I was into clothing.
Ah,
Yeah, So I was like, oh wow. After some years, like 4 years, I was like, my wife, hey, come on, you know how to cook. Do some Thai food for me, let me see. So it was like, oh, okay, good. So she did it, and I tried it. It was nice. I invited some friends, like, oh, Zion, why didn't you open a Thai restaurant? That should be better for you. I was like, okay, then I started doing some takeaway, print some card, and use my bike. I was on the bike that time. So I was like, so I go around and share the card to people. I was like, oh, you gonna open Thai restaurant? I said, yeah. The first day they came, it was only me and my wife. Was like, what is this? A group of people came in, and after that, man, the business started flowing. So,
and your wife is Thai?
oh yeah, I live in Thailand for about 25 years.
Ah,
Yeah,
25
yeah,
years you lived in
yeah,
Thailand for.
I live in
Ah,
Phuket. Yeah, I live in Phuket. Yeah. So yeah, that's where I got the idea. And my friend was like, he has a boat restaurant, near the seaside, at the beach side. I was like, here is like the passengers food, and the other side is for the pilot. So I was like, okay, when I go back home, I'm gonna do the same like you. So Zion Thai restaurant was little small in the downstairs.
okay.
You remember the boat restaurant. I said, okay, I'm gonna do it. So I create something like this, and it's becoming something different and can accommodate a lot of people. So yeah, and since then we have been doing our best to make sure that it goes well.
How long have you been operating
Oh,
here?
Zion Thai is almost about 15 years here now.
15 years?
Yes.
Wow.
It's quite a long time, it's quite a long time.
And how would you say business is? We just got over the virus. How has your business been? Have you bounced back
Seriously, man, it was
pre-COVID?
bad. The COVID time was very bad. It wasn't good. Nobody was even coming. So it was like, and everything was shut down. Try to survive back again.
But you'll say business has picked up here now.
Oh yeah. It's coming up again. Yeah, not the time, but yeah, most of the time it goes.
So, and this here, we will say it's literally original Thai. I must say that I enjoyed what I ordered. And you can tell when it's authentic, yes? Then, and I must say it is authentic Thai in
Serious.
here.
Serious. We make sure we satisfy our customers. It's in terms of the ingredients to set up the food. It's not like I'm cooking in Thai food, but you must make sure you get everything unique. That people will really testify that this is good like how you are now. So yeah, so we do our best to make sure that we use everything authentic to make our food here.
So, Zion, I'm going to give you 2 minutes.
More.
Promote Zion Thai. Tell the audience why, if they visit Ghana, why they need to make it Zion Thai restaurant.
Oh man, that is good. You see, I want to tell friends, whenever you're in Ghana, please you should locate Zion Thai restaurant, in Osu, Papaya, down, Mission Street. That is where you can get Zion Thai restaurant, and we assured you and give a very good promise that we are not going to disappoint you. And also you can check us on TripAdvisor on Google to know more about Zion Thai.
What are your opening hours?
Oh yeah, we normally open from Tuesday to Sunday, 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. And on Monday is our off days. We don't work on Mondays.
Oh, you're closed on Mondays.
Closed on Mondays, yeah. Closed on Mondays it's closed, yeah. So that is how
And
it goes.
Zan, what would you say to persons out in the global space that's looking to Ghana? Can they come to Ghana and invest? Would you recommend Ghana as also a destination where persons can come and live, or at least have a fantastic vacation? What would you say to that person out there about destination Ghana?
This is a very good question. You see, back to my roots.
Yeah.
It means go back where you're from. This is home. Ghana is home for everybody. And when you are here to invest, trust me, once the security is tight, that is the most important.
Security,
Security
yes.
is the most important. You know, we are safe where you are. You can invest. You can do your business in Ghana because if you have a good security, that means whatever you are doing, that means it's going to flourish. It's going to be good for you. So I advise whoever that want to come to Ghana to invest in Ghana, 100% sure the person is going to enjoy it.
I think that's wonderful. And Zan, right now I'm just going to let the audience get a view of your space right here. Guys, it's a Friday evening, not going to include any guests, do not want to invade, but just let you see the ambiance, the scenery, the decor. I must say, I refer to it as dining rooftop. Zion, the breeze, it's very cool, very soothing, and that to me is a plus. So again, thank you for giving me this opportunity. As usual with Diane S, she pops in and she just asks, and you are most accommodating.
Away from.
Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you. Merasi. God bless. Zan, is that what you normally do in Thai? That's a greeting that you give us. Look straight into the camera. Do that greeting again for us, please.
Hi. Greetings to everyone. Kapom.
Merasi. God bless.